Find step-by-step tutorial script based on your outlined process. Step 1. Hardware setup. Start by setting up your non-touch digital signage standee. Ensure it's placed in a location with power and a stable internet connection. Connect the standee to the network using either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Step 2. Prepare your computer or laptop. As the end user, prepare your own computer or laptop for managing the content. Ensure it has internet access and is ready to log into the CIDC web cloud portal. Step 3. Prepare content materials. Use design tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create your content. Design visuals optimized for a resolution of 1080 by 1920 portrait mode for optimal display on the standee. Step 4. Log into the CIDC web cloud portal. Log into the CIDC web cloud portal using your credentials and the password provided. Once logged in, navigate to the Content Upload section. Upload your files, e.g. videos in MP4 format or images in JPEG format, into the system. Step 5. Push content to the selected terminal. After uploading your content, select the terminal as you want to push the content to. Click on Push. Stay in the portal's CMS to send the content to the terminals in real time. Step 6. Data sync. Once the content is pushed, ensure the data sync process is complete. The system will automatically sync all the files to the selected terminal. Step 7. Concurrent publishing across devices. The CIDC system allows concurrent publishing to all your devices as long as they are connected online. Your content will be updated on multiple devices simultaneously. Step 8. Content display. Once the content is successfully published, it will be displayed live on your standee and other devices. The content will be shown continuously, engaging your audience in real time. This process ensures efficient setup, content management, and live publishing on your digital signage standee. Let me know if you need further customization or details.